Today, we will help you to compress videos right on your Android device. To complete this tutorial, you need to use the Panda Video Compressor app. First, select the video you want to compress. Now tap Next. Choose the parameters. You can use any of our video compression presets. Let's choose Large Quality. This will preserve the original resolution. Now tap Compress. We have to wait for the Panda to do its job. Just look at its work! Amazing style! 10 out of 10. As you can see, the video has lost much more than 50% of its original size. Now you can click Save to preserve the original file. Or you can click Replace to overwrite the original and save space. If you want to meet Panda and let it take care of your videos, follow the link in the description. That's it! We hope you found this tutorial useful. You can also subscribe to our channel or watch the other tutorials. In the next one, Panda takes care of the Messenger video size limit.